Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to show you this eye makeup look that I did for Valentine's Day, and I really love how this looks turned out. It is such a beautiful smoky glittery eye makeup look and super wearable. So if you would like to know how I got this look, then please keep watching. First, I am using Good Vibes Lemon Dust Smoothing Face Mist on my entire face. Next, for my primer, I'm using my new favorite product, Farsali Unicorn Essence. Next, I am using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and the shade is Golden Beige. And it matches my skin tone perfectly, so I'm applying this all over my face. Next, I'm going to use concealer, and this is the LA Gold Pro HD Corrector, and in the shade Yellow. So I am applying it in a triangular shape underneath my eyes, and I am also using it on my forehead, nose and chin. Now I am going to set my face quickly. Some translucent powder from Kryolan. Then I am going to contour my face. So I am using Sugar Bronzer, and in the shade Woody Wonder. Move on to blush. I am taking this pink shade from Too Faced Love Flash palette. Next, for my highlighter, I am using Wet n Wild highlighter, and in the shade Precious Petal. Oh my gosh, guys, as a highlighter, this is absolutely stunning. It looks so gorgeous on my skin. Alright, moving on to my eyes. The first color, I am taking this reddish brown shade, and I am going to blend it all over in the crease from the inner corner to the outer corner. Next, I am taking this black shade, and I am blending it on the top of the eyelid. Next, I am going to take this dark copper shade. It's not matte shade, it has a slight shimmer into it, and I am using it on top of the black shade. Next, I am using black and brown shade on my lower lash line. Now the next shade, I am going to use this champagne glitter shade, and I am applying it with my flat eyeshadow brush. Next, I am going to use Wet n Wild white liner on my waterline. Next, I am using Nykaa Kajal on my upper and lower lash line. Next, I am using my all-time favorite mascara, which is the Hyper Curl Mascara from Maybelline. Next I am going to use highlighter on my inner corner. Alright, next for my lipstick, I am using Nykaa Creamy Matte Lipstick and in the shade Break a Leg. And lastly, I am using Wet n Wild setting spray on my all over face. And this is the final look. Alright, so that's completes this look and it's pretty easy to do, and this makeup look will suit every skin type, every face. So if you like this look, then let me know in the comment section. And I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day to everyone. And thanks for watching guys. Love you all. Take care. And I will be back in my next video. So stay tuned guys. Bye bye.